My name is Yashraj Praveen Dhamar and I had recently attended the GTO capsule on the SSB wings. I would like to tell that I was not bit confident before that whether I would be able to grasp about the online medium. But after this capsule I had attended, I am pretty sure that I will be able to do good in my GTO. Starting with, the sir first of all explained a very good method and then we were given a lot of models to practice. These various models helped us in creating our imagination and developing our thoughts and ideas. With this, I would like to suggest all of those who would like to attend SSB, please once try the GTO session at SSB Wings. It will be really beneficial. Thank you.